Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix shipping rates on Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. And now after you are on your Shopify dashboard, by the way, there are like multiple things you can do to fix shipping rates on Shopify. If you have like a problem with shipping rates. Okay, so you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on shipping and delivery. And here you can also like create a profile for it. Like if you can create a shipping zone for each product, if you want to do that, you just need to click here on new profile, and here you want to name the profile, for example, products X, for example, certain products that you want to ship to a specific shipping zone, and you can add like shipping rates. I'm going to like select these two products, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, so now I want to create a shipping zone for these top products. Of course, you can create like multiple zones if you want. Okay, here it says add a zone and rate to ship from these locations. Now you want to click on add shipping zone, and for example, I would like to ship to countries, or I would like to ship, for example, to Europe. Okay, or you can like ship to a specific country like Australia or United Kingdom. You can just choose it here. Okay, click on done, and you want to click on add rate, which is the shipping price. Okay, so you can set it to $10, or you can just add 0.00, which is going to be a free shipping. Okay, click on done. Here the custom rate name, you want to add here standard, and you want to click on done. Okay, make sure you click on save so that you can save your changes. Okay, so now we have created a profile for these two products. Okay, a shipping zone for two products. As you can see, you can create multiple profiles for each product. For example, if you have like multiple products and you want to create a shipping zone for each product, you can do that by clicking on new profile. Okay, so if there is like if there is a problem with your shipping rates, you can just click on, for example, custom shipping rates. You want to click on here, and you want to scroll down and see if there is anything wrong with your shipping rates. For example, you want to click on add rate, and you can then click on here. It says a custom rate name. You want to add their standard, and here the price, you want to add your shipping price. Okay, click on done. Make sure you save your changes. Always save your changes. Like if you have a problem with international shipping, you can just click on market here, and you want to activate international shipping. Okay, you want to click here on active in the top right, and you want to click on active so that you can activate international shipping. Okay, you can also, for example, click on shipping, as you can see here, and as you can see, you can like see all the shipping countries and regions. Okay, so you can also, for example, let's say you can also like add the shipping price for international shipping if you want. You can also edit the market if there is any country you don't want to include in the international shipping. You can do that by clicking on edit, and you can delete any country or unselect any country you don't want. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Very simple. Okay, so you want to click, go back to shipping delivery, and here you can see, like I said, all your shipping rates here. You can see multiple things here, like your the shipping company that you are using. You can also click on general. For example, you can add multiple shipping companies if you want to do that. You can do that here. Okay, so just need to click on add shipping zone, and you want to create a zone, and you want to add there the shipping. Now for me, I'm going to add here standard. As you can see, edit rate, which is standard. As you can see, you can click on here, it says add additional add additional pricing. You can like set a price based on the order price. Okay, based like the minimum price, for example, is $200. The maximum price is $300, for example. You can set it, or based on weight if you want. Okay, so when the product exceeds a certain weight, the customer will be charged $200 for the shipping. Okay, or 100 or whatever, or $20. Okay, just an example. You can click on done, and that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, so you can click here, it says international. As you can see, we have added now free shipping for international shipping. As you can see, that's exactly how we can do this. Okay, so you can also, for your country, you can add the shipping rates there. Click on add rate here, custom, which is standard always, and here the shipping price, which is 0, which is the default country on Shopify. Now that's exactly how you can fix like shipping rates. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial.